it also no longer infected bats, which is,
Exactly.
which is very, very unusual because it should have remained most infectious to bats and secondarily to humans
Right.
if it were
Either
not.
bats, yeah, either bats or an intermediate species. And one of the interesting things we point out in the book is a professor in Australia took the Oracle supercomputer and modulated the 3D aspects of the proteins and their interaction with different species, assuming he would find that COVID was better adapted for some animal, and that would give us a clue as to which animal. He did all of it. It didn't fit any of the animals very well. It didn't fit bats well, didn't fit civets, pangolins, but the perfect, almost near perfect match was for humans. So all of this modeling showed there didn't seem to be an intermediate species. Whether it came directly from bats or from bats through another species, the computers were showing that the fit was actually better for humans. And Alina Chan wrote a good book on this, Viral. And in that, she says that when she looked at this, she felt like the virus was pre-adapted for human transmission. I think Anthony Fauci knew this in January of 2020. I think he's known it from the very beginning. And I do think there was an enormous conspiracy or cover up because they knew that they had funded this lab in Wuhan, and that if it came from the lab, that culpability, blame would attach to them for the pandemic. And so they strove from the very beginning to cover it up. And there's just a trail of lies, lies, cover up.